6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 8 acts by the Queen of Luxuria. My love smells the scent of a rose between petal and thorn, born as one whole. The invisible air uplifts my body in a moment of beauty before descent. My love smells. My love feels the resonance of a bird's chorus, amplified to reach heaven, vibrating my inner home, filling one abandoned tree, standing alone in a concrete desert, a garden destroyed. My love feels. My love feels the resonance of a bird's chorus. My love sits bodies working through tortured equations. 1 foot, 1 shoe, 1 foot, 1 shoe. 2 breaths of time, 2 breaths of time in distinct dimensions, crossing borders countrywide, in rocks filled with whispers between day and night, here in a circle of time, My love flows under a carpet of yellow leaves, tracing the natural flow of a stream as it snakes through a woodland, a passage of knowledge in functional alone, a body in water that soothes the aches of an aging soul, hoping to find peace in sleep, My love flows in this body of water, My love flows in this body of water, hoping to find peace in sleep, My love stands in this porous border, both mythical and actual, Engendered questions and conscience, engendered questions and conscience, holding a human right, holding a human right to self-determination, to self-determination. My love stands in this porous border, both mythical and actual, both mythical and actual. A body that searches beyond survival, in a body that searches beyond survival, both mythical and actual, both mythical and actual. My love stands in this porous border, in a body that searches beyond survival, that searches beyond survival in the path of human migration, in the path of human migration. My love listens. My love listens to the mystery of now, not knowing, not wishing, not knowing, not wishing, not knowing, not wishing, not wishing, not knowing. My love stands in the mystery of now. In full conscience, to embrace courage, to climb the unknown terrains of hearts and souls, through the dark that becomes light, through the dark that becomes light, in the waiting room, in the waiting room of patience, of patience, of patience, in the waiting room of patience, of patience, of patience, in the waiting room, in each sunrise. My love listens to the mystery of now, in the gradation of each sunrise, in the gradation of each sunrise. My love breathes in amongst words that express profound tender thoughts, between giggles and smiles that lighten the heavy moments of our lives, that lighten the heavy moments of our lives, sitting in the sweet air of gentle nothingness, sitting in the sweet air of gentle nothingness. My love breathes, sitting in the sweet air of gentle nothingness, 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 unpolluted from the distant noises of a city in crisis, city in crisis. My love breathes in amongst words, in amongst words, in amongst words, between giggles and smiles that express profound, profound tender thoughts, profound tender thoughts, sitting in the sweet air of gentle nothingness, sitting in the sweet air of gentle nothingness, living in a city, living in a city in crisis, living in ignorance of what real peace means, real peace means, living in ignorance of what real peace means. Real peace means my love breathes. My love sings in this song of freedom, connecting my heart to each gulp of air that I breathe, in artery of loving exchange, stretching from tip to toe, toe to tip, tip to toe, toe to tip. My love sings in this song of freedom, connecting my heart to each gulp of air that I breathe, an artery of loving exchange, stretching from tip to toe, tip to toe, toe to tip, tip to toe, activating these thoughts to write these words that I share with you. Thank you. So big thank yous to everybody for tuning in, and especially all my rallies. And I want to say big thanks to Gemini Shop from Division Street for supporting the garments that I'm wearing today. And I want to also a big shout out to the field, to Jane and Carol and Harlan for building and creating this beautiful creative community. So big shout out to you all. And also want to say big thanks to Experimental Sound Studio for building this artery of support for artists during this time. It's really been special to work with you all, so thank you. My love stands in this porous border, both mythical and actual. My love flows body of water in this body of water. My love flows in this body of water